last I had told about relocation and linking. We have discussed relocation algorithm as well as the linking algorithm. The numbers, that what is the address field, everything I had just missed out. Not missed out. I want to explain it clearly using a example problem with writing. So we'll just recall that, a fast recall. So these are the program we told, right? So first one, main program. Here the linking is done directly by specifying the address. So here, as the main program has address actually, so I can't relocate. Then the loader is required to load is absolute. How it is, in the same manner it should load, because here address of the subroutine is linked through the number address only. It is not linked through the variable, so that, or a symbol, so that we can change according to the address. So here it is, the number is given directly and you need to link to the location 400. You cannot change that. So absolute loader is required, which load to the same particular area, right? But whenever you want to relocate, whenever there is no, you are using a symbol to link each other, then you can change the address of each program, right? So to find the address of the program when it is relocated, we use relocation factors, right? So relocation factor is the difference between the origin and the load address, load origin, right? So relocation factors is, for example, you have written source program, and source program is given to the translator. Translator is nothing but assembler. Assembler gives, here source program you have written start 500. So assembler, what it will do, it will create an object program at the location 500. So because in that you have specified the programmer, so that is called as translator origin, or we call it as T origin. So same location, if you load to the memory in the same 500, then it is a task of an absolute loader, which we do if the number, instead of linking through the symbols, if you link through the address, then you need to use the absolute location. But in relocation factor, what happened, whatever the object program created in secondary memory, it can be loaded to different memory location in main memory with the help of a loader. Then the address will change. This address is given by the linker. Linker will have the load origin. Yeah. So linker will give the load origin. According to that area, it will load. So translate address is 500. Imagine load origin is given as 900. Then relocation factor we need to find out. Relocation factor, that is P. It is given as T origin minus load origin. Load origin will get from the linker, because you are loading to different area. So that is what, 500 minus 900. So relocation is minus 400. Relocation factor can be positive, can be negative, or can be 0 also, right? So 500 is replaced with the 900, means it is added the memory location of 400. So you can see the first line is 500, second line is a 501. So what will be the its relocation area is 501. Clear? So we had a formula that the relocated symbols, that is a load symbol, it is given as load symbol is equal to T symbol minus relocation factor. So imagine you in the line number 501, you have a loop, you have a symbol, then the new location, that is relocated using a relocate loader, then a new location in a main memory, that is called as a load location, or the load symbol is given by its transition symbol or a translator symbol minus relocation factor P. Relocation factor P. So it is given as, what is the translation address? It is given as 501 minus of, what is the relocation factor you got, that is 400, so it is nothing but 901. So a program loaded in a 900, then next line automatically it will be 901. So 500, what is the next line? 501. So in 501, if you have any symbols, then that is referenced using by adding the relocation factor. So this is what relocation, use of a relocation factor. For example, in line number 5, means starts with the 500. In line number 5 you have some symbol called A, then its load after relocating, what will be its load address? Then load address or a load symbol is equal to 505 minus of minus 400 relocation factor, because relocation factor we got minus 400, that is nothing but 505 plus 400, that is equal to 905. So this is how we are calculating the address of a program, address of the symbol which is used in the program. It is done using adding a relocation factor. Yeah. So this is the relocation factor algorithm. So with this algorithm we have done. This algorithm is nothing but, with the help of an example we will explain. This algorithm I already told. So program load origin by the linker, you will get 900, and object modules. So we will have object and the size and relocation factor. So consider this program. So what is the load address? Load address is, imagine step 1, load address is 900, we got it the linker. Step 2, you need to check about the object program. Step 2 is you need to check about the object program. So what is the translated address of the object program is 500, size is 41, yeah, and what is the relocation factor we will calculate. So these are the 3 steps we have. We need to get the origin, size and the relocation factor. So we will get the relocation factor, step 2. So T origin is 500, it's given, size is 41, and relocation factor is 500 minus 900, that is equal to minus 400. Then read the step number 3, read the machine language in a work area. So machine language, whatever you have translated, this is what the machine language, it will be in a where 500. So you need to read that to the work area. Work area means your loaded area, that is in a 900. Clear? When you load 900, what you have? You need to have a relocatable table. So you have certain, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 different variables, where these 2 are local, this is the external reference variable, right? So we have in line number 500 means loaded area is 900, 500 plus 400, that is nothing but 900. In the 900, in this location we are referring to the variable that is A. The information of A is in 540, means when I load each and every line, then the line number 540 is loaded in 940, then I need to change this 540 to 940. That's what the relocation I am doing. Clear? So that is performed using this one. So relocatable, we will collect relocatable of A. If A relocatable is, what is the address is 540, we will get the address. So translation address is address in the relocatable table. In the relocatable table, the location we have is 540. Clear? Work area is equal to work area plus translation address minus your T origin, right? So you need to have a work area. Work area is 900. What is the relocatable area? It is 500, right? So A location was in 990, and work area is you are working in a memory location 900. So, and translated origin, translated address of read A is what? 500. You are reading that, right? So you have a formula, work area is equal to work area plus translated address minus. So what will have work area? Work area is 900. Work area is equal to 900 plus translated address is 500 minus origin is 500. So what is the work area? 900. You will get the work area 900. Then add relocation factor to the operand field of that work area. So this is what the work area you got. In that operand field you have 540. Add the relocation. So what is the relocation? Relocation factor is minus 40. So add that 400. So in a work area you got operand field as 540 plus add the relocation. So what is that? 940. So what is the value of A? It is 940. Clear? Similarly, if I consider the loop, you have second, that is what the loop. If you have a loop, so you are working in the line number 501. So work area is nothing but, now your reading is 901, right? So what it is telling, read and find the relocatable. Relocatable is nothing but a translated address. So what is the translated address? Address is 501, right? So work area is 901. Add work area 901 plus, so work area is, sorry, not 901, work area is 900. 900 plus translated is 501 minus the origin. T origin is 500. So 900 plus 1. So work area is 901. So in a 901, you need to get whatever the object you have over there. You need to, that is what 538. Then you need to have it as 901. So nothing but, if I consider the loop over here, then translated address of loop is 538, right? And work area is 900 and T origin is, translated origin, start address is 500. Then formula says work area is equal to work area plus translated address plus, sorry, minus T origin. This is the formula telling. So work area is 900 plus translated address is 538 minus origin is 500. Then that is 900 plus 38, that is equal to 938. So you got work area. In that work area 938, you have in the object as 061501. You have a operand field as 501. That operand field should be added with relocation factor, then it become 901. Means you are pointing to the loop, means you are pointing to 901, not 501. So this is how the working has done. Linking. Clear here? Sorry, relocation. In linking also, if it is LD, you need to add that to the name and the local address to NA table, N table, right? Local address and the, means whenever you will keep on scan this program, fine, you have total value, max, alpha you have, and you have A, you have loop, imagine 3, I won't consider total, max and all. So here whenever A is encounter, it's a name in a N table, you will locate the name and its address. Load address is, what is the load address? 940. Similarly, you have loop. What is the load address? Load address is 901. You will get alpha. What is the load address? You know that two program P and Q you have. P program starts from 900 to 941 and next location is from 941 to 31 is the P length of the PQ, that is what, till 972 your Q is there. Yeah. So the last 31th line in a program, you can see 31th line is 231, you have an alpha. Then what is the load address of an alpha? Load address of an alpha is 972. This was the relative translation address. This was the load address. Loop is 501. Okay, so what happened in the algorithm you have? So these are the tables you are loading up. So name and the load address to the table. Similarly, you are loading the object name and the load address. So we have two objects. One is a P and load address is 900, and Q you have load address is 942. So we are both program load origin address in an N table. Depend on the size, we are calculating that 942. Yeah. So if then whenever there is an ext, we know that ext is not known to the assembler. You need to go with the linker to get the value of a ext. That is what external variable. So here it is telling that work area plus load origin minus load origin translated address minus translated origin. So first we will get the work area. So work area for an is 900. So we are working for an external is your alpha, right? So work area is 900 where you are loading. Work area is 900. Clear? So formula tells that whenever you have an external reference, then calculate first work area. Work area is 900. Program load origin is also, what is the P program load origin? 900 plus what is the T load origin? It is 900 plus what is the translation address of an alpha? What is the translation address of a alpha? Translation address of a alpha is, what is the, here you have translation address of that work area. So what is the translation address of that work area? Work area alpha is in 518. So translation address is 518, not alpha. Work area, you need to first work area minus translated address, that is what, 500. Then 900 plus 500 minus 518 minus 500, that is work area, you got 918. Right? So work area is, now when you load, this line will be not in a 518, it will be in a 918. Right? So this line will be, and you can see that it is 00 because alpha is not known to the assembler and it will store as 00. Clear? Whereas algorithm says find the work area. Next step, what it is telling, search the symbol from N table and copy the address. So in that A line, what you have? In this work area, you have symbol alpha. So search for the alpha in an N table. Search for the alpha. Yeah, we got as alpha. Load the load address. What is the load address? 972. So load address is 972. Clear? We get the load address. So next step, what it has? That is what the last step. Add the load address, clear, to the operand field of the word with the work area. So in a work area, what is the work area we got? Work area is 918. In 918 work area, what you have in operand field, add that to the load address. So we'll check what in a work area. Work area is 918. Fine. In that, in operand field, we have 000. So if we add that 000 plus what is the load address we got? 972. Then we are getting the address of an alpha. So we are connected to the 972. So that's what we have written over here. This is what the explanation of that alpha. Clear? So it is not in a 231. We are loaded to the location 972. Then relocate loader should get 972 instead of 231. Clear? So this is a translated address, whereas load address is different. So this is how it's work. So again, I had explained with the help of the number figures so that you can understand easily. Next, again, you have a repetition or a overview of a linking. I'll just skip on. I'll run over that. Again, in detail, I won't explain. Okay, thank you. If any queries, just let me know.